My name is Julie McWhorter. I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist, and I was asked to give a presentation on available types of filtering face masks and industrial respirators for healthcare use. I acknowledge this presentation may contain some errors and welcome feedback. Usage of industrial filtering face masks and respirators may seem ridiculous, but on March 27th, the FDA issued a letter per request of the CDC to expand the scope of use for all particulate filtering air purifying respirators for healthcare personnel. This presentation will consist of 2 parts, likely in 2 videos. So filtering respirators act through a combination of impaction, interception, and diffusion. They are not a sieve. Their rating, 95, 99, or 100, refers to their ability to block very small viral particles, or very small particles, of which some kinds are viruses. Their rating N, R, or P refers to their level of protection against oil aerosols. N respirators are not resistant to oil. That is what the letter N means. Respirators coming from different countries are compared based on flow rating testing. Comparable equivalents to America's N95 include the European FFP2 masks from Europe and K95 masks from China. While the masks themselves are equivalent, you need to be confident that you are not purchasing a counterfeit product. Personally, when purchasing masks, I have purchased by the lot or box and requested product be sent in the original box, not in baggies. When sent in the box, the expiry date can be found by a label with an hourglass, or the manufacturing date can be found as a sticker on the side of the box. This is the manufacturing date. The most important aspect of a NIOSH certified respirator is how well it fits to the face and it minimizes leakage around the face piece. The nose and chin are the most difficult facial features on which to establish a tight fit. So it is important to fit test any mask you are provided. Please note I am not demonstrating appropriate donning and doffing protocols. I am demonstrating a seal. Negative pressure masks should fit a tight seal around your face. Inhalation should result in a feeling of tightening of the mask to your face, and exhalation should not result in a loss of seal. There are multiple videos demonstrating fit testing that can be found online. A tight seal does not mean you will not be able to smell anything. Disposable filtering face masks filter particulates, not necessarily organic gases and vapors. So our traditional American filtering face mask respirators include the 3M series, the 1860. As you can see, these two masks come in two sizes, small and regular. Smalls fit most women and regular fits most men. I have found 3 differences between medical and industrial respirators. 1, industrial respirators are not cleared for use by the FDA as a surgical mask. So, if you are in a procedure requiring surgical mask, cover your filtering face mask with a surgical mask. 2, industrial disposable filtering face masks are less fluid resistant to blood or other liquids, so wear a mask over it. And 3, industrial respirators typically only come in one size that fits most men, but not often women. I am unable to create an appropriate seal with either of these masks. As you can see, these masks are different size. Folding disposable filtering face respirators have become more common in healthcare use, presumably because they can fit a wider variety of faces. If you have a folding filtering face mask respirator with a cool flow valve, again, you have to put a mask over it. It is possible for filtering face mask respirators to be reused on a limited basis. I believe that manufacturers recommend a total of 5 different times or 8 hours total. I store my disposable filtering face mask respirator after use in a Tupperware container. Ideally, you can create one with holes to provide a low humidity environment and seal it. I then bring mine home and hang it in the basement, rotating 3 or 4 masks per week. A low humidity environment such as this, or use of a paper bag, is unfavorable to virus survival.